The controversial 2016 surveillance footage showing Sean Diddy Combs physically assaulting his then-girlfriend Cassie Ventura Fine in a Los Angeles hotel has resurfaced, this time as a key piece of evidence in his ongoing federal sex trafficking. Trial. Eddie Garcia, a former security guard at the hotel, testified in court that Combs paid $100,000 to obtain the tape, which captured him allegedly kicking, hitting, and dragging Cassie. This incident was first made public in her 2023 lawsuit, where she accused Combs of sexual abuse, trafficking, and more. CNN later released the footage. Garcia told the court he was afraid the video would ruin his career. The trial has featured emotional testimony, including from a former assistant using the pseudonym Mia. She described being manipulated and controlled by Combs under the constant threat of violence. On June 3rd, Derek Ferguson, former CFO at Bad Boy Entertainment, took the stand but dodged several questions about the rapper's financial dealings and business operations. New revelations emerged too. Bank records presented in court indicate that Cassie's parents wired money to Bad Boy in 2011, allegedly to stop Combs from leaking compromising videos. Her mother testified she feared for Cassie's safety and felt compelled to pay after. Combs allegedly issued threats. Combs' defense lawyer questioned Ferguson about witnessing any abuse or illegal conduct. Ferguson denied seeing violence or exploitation and struggled when asked if he still respected Combs. After a long pause, he simply replied, "I don't know how to answer that." Currently in custody at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center, Combs has been denied bail since his September 2024 arrest. The trial is expected to run through early July, according to Judge Aaron Subramanian. Garcia detailed how Combs' chief of staff, Christina K.K. Coram, contacted him asking about the incident. She later connected Garcia directly with Combs, who sounded anxious and insisted that the video could destroy him. Combs allegedly offered a payoff, leading Garcia and his supervisor to agree on a $50,000 price tag. Combs, excited by the deal, reportedly called Garcia "my angel." Garcia says the footage was handed over to Combs in a high-rise suite. There, he signed non-disclosure agreements, including one imposing a $1 million penalty if breached. After signing, Garcia claims he was given a paper bag containing $100,000 in cash. He split the money among colleagues and used his share to buy a used car. Off the books. Prosecutors now want to use Combs' recorded jail calls as evidence. In one, he allegedly outlined a social media campaign timed with his birthday, aimed at shifting public perception. This, they argue, supports Mia's testimony that Combs used grand gestures to win approval, even after alleged abuse. A court incident on June 2nd added more tension. An unauthorized live stream exposed Mia's real name, violating her privacy, and prompting a courthouse ban on the individual responsible. Then came another dramatic moment. Before court began one morning, a woman in the gallery yelled out, mocking Combs. Her remarks were explicit, prompting her removal by security. All of this underscores the delicate strategy Combs' defense must walk, acknowledging prior domestic violence while denying any trafficking. But prosecutors argue that persistent abuse, especially around intimate encounters, negates any notion of consent. Mia, who worked for Combs from 2009 to 2017, testified that he assaulted her on multiple occasions, including at the plaza, hotel, and even on a private jet. She also recalled a tense moment in 2012 at the Cannes Film Festival, where Combs allegedly grabbed Cassie during an argument. Texts from 2019 show Mia reaching out to Combs after a disturbing dream involving another high-profile figure convicted of trafficking. Asked why she contacted him despite the past, she said, "Puff used to be my protector," and admitted feeling sympathy after the loss of his longtime partner in 2018. As the trial continues, the question looms large. Can past admiration coexist with present-day accountability? And how will jurors interpret the blurred lines between power, fear, and control? How about the rumors of a possible pardon? Did Trump pardon Diddy? No, despite recently handing down a flurry of pardons, including one for reality stars Todd and Julie Chrisley, Trump did not include Combs on that list. But that doesn't mean he can't. According to Michigan State law professor Brian Kalt, Trump would be within his presidential rights to extend a preemptive pardon to Combs. These are federal charges, so that's the main limit, Kalt tells USA Today. The matter has to be federal, it has to be criminal versus civil, and related to something that's already been done. But the person doesn't have to even be charged yet, or convicted. The Supreme Court has said preemptive pardons are okay. When asked about a possible pardon during an Oval Office press conference on May 30th, Trump said he hadn't been approached about the legal matter, but added, "I know people are thinking about it."